How in the heck can you buy a home for cash and begin living your dream? Here's how. You're ready to homestead, ready to leave the city and move to the country and begin living self-sufficient and self-reliant. But how can you do it when your dreams are bigger than your bank account? How in the heck can you buy a home for cash? How do you find a piece of property and home that you can afford and it's good enough your family will actually live in it? So much real estate is sky-high crazy priced. Buying a home for cash probably seems like an impossible dream. I know what you're thinking. I can't pay my bills now. How can I get the cash to buy a home in the country? Heck, buy a home anywhere. Regular people, real people, normal people like you are buying homes for cash, and you can do it too. How? Yeah, buying a home for cash means you actually have to have the cash. No getting around or ignoring this fact. So how do you get the cash? First, you have to be realistic about the home you'll buy. Probably not a McMansion. More than likely, it'll be a small home and probably a fixer-upper home. A home that's off the beaten path and not so easy to get to can be a real bargain. Okay, getting the cash. How can you do it? It does require serious motivation. You have to really, and I mean really, want to do it. There are two ways to save cash for your homestead. Number one, make more money. Number two, spend less money. That's it. Pretty simple. Make more and spend less. Ideally doing both together. Here's an example. Most likely, you're a two-income family. Starting today, reduce your spending and get to where you live on one income. And then you can bank and save the second income. Reduce your spending. You can do it. Get an older car without a payment. No car payment? Cheaper car insurance. Cut back on the TV package. Or even better, get rid of it altogether. It's all about reducing your monthly expenses. Think about it. Saving one income each year. 2, 3, 4 years, you're gonna have a boatload of cash. In just a few years, you can have the cash to buy a home. Okay, you're not a two-income family. That's okay. Then reduce your spending and maybe add a second income somehow. Even if it's just part-time or every now and then. Think of ways that you can make some extra money. Make more, spend less. Remember, you will have to be realistic about the home you can buy. No McMansion. Think small home, a fixer-upper home. There are lots of homes out there looking for you to buy them. Forgotten homes, homes off the beaten path. I made a video about buying a regular small town type of home for cash. I'll put it in the description and up top. Purchase a small fixer-upper home and make it into your dream home. We did it this way. We purchased a neglected home. Oh boy, it was a home that nobody else wanted, believe me. And you can do it this way too. So, if you have a friend that's looking for rural property and they're interested in living self-sufficient in the country on a homestead, in a home that they pay cash for, please share this video with them. And if you have any questions, ask. We truly want you to succeed. We want you to pursue your self-sufficient life dreams, living happy, living fun-loving, and of course, living carefree. Live life doing it yourself.